Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about name ranges and how can we apply formulas, what are the benefits of name ranges. So first of all, I want to apply name ranges. It's pretty easy. I just select all of these and I come here and create from selection. I just select the top row and okay. Yep. Now I have created name ranges. So after that I want to apply this name ranges in my formula. So for commission I have to multiply monthly salary with the commission. I just write equal sign, select this and multiply by 7% and enter. You can see it works just fine, but when I drag this down, oops, here is a problem. So what should I do? So when I come here, oops, my formula moved here. So in previous lessons I used to use like the dollar sign, absolute cell difference, but here I want to apply name range. Okay, escape. I just delete this and I come here and name it. Just select this and I come here, right, I just name it rate and enter, and I come here back and write equal sign, and here I can write the name of my range, monthly salary multiply the rate. Instead of selecting that, I just write rate and enter. You can see it works just the same, and I just drag it down. You can see it works magically. Whenever I do this, I select this and this, it works magically by now. So for the package I should sum up monthly salary with the commission. So I want to apply name ranges here from the define name. I just select this and I come here to define name, so it generates the name and also select. I have selected the range and it's okay. I just press OK. So now I want to find the package. I just type here equal sign, and instead of selecting the cells I just write the name of the ranges. Monthly salary plus commission and enter. You can see it works magically. I just drag it down. Yep. And also for this I just come here and drag it to the right. You can see it works magically. When I click in one of these, I just select all of these and escape. And here I want to use name ranges to calculate this total sum of the first week. Total sum of the first week. I just write here equal sum, total sum of the first week. I just write week. I just select first week and enter. It works magically. So I want to change this to here, from here to currency. Yeah, it works magically for the average of third week. So I just type my function equal sign average, and here third week with third. I just select with third and close the bracket and close the bracket and enter. You can see it works magically. Total of monthly salary. Total of monthly salary. I just write equal sign, sum, monthly salary, tab and enter. It works just fine. You can see here the total of monthly salary and here. These are the same. I don't need to just come here and select the whole area, because sometimes we have hundreds of rows and columns. We can apply this easily. So I just minimum of the second week. We just write equal min tab second week second and enter. Minimum second week is this one is the minimum. Yep. And equal here max tab and fourth week 4 tab and enter. You can see at 1000 it's at 1000 the maximum. Now the average of package, I just write, I didn't name it. I think I have to name this. I can name this, it's easy. So I just select this and I come here to formula and create from selection. It's pretty easy. And top row, yes, okay. So I come here, equal sign, average and package. Yep, top and enter. You can see it works magically. As I said, instead of applying name ranges in one column or one cell, we can apply in the whole ranges. For example, I select all of these. I just come here, right here, grand total, and enter. And here I just come here, I want to test this one. I just write here equal sum tab. I select all of these and enter. You can see it is almost 2 million. So I want to apply name ranges here. I just write here equal sum. I just write here grand total right now, grand total, and enter. You can see I just change this format to currency. Yes, you can see these are the same. Thank you for watching. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.